Hello students, this is Rajashekaran from MathWar. The process of writing an expression in the form of terms or brackets multiplied together is said to be factorization. For example, 5x square plus 15. You can see the number 5 is common. By taking it outside, we can write as 5 into x square plus 3. And next example, x square plus 5x plus 6. Using the splitting the middle term method, we can factorize it. You can see x square plus 5x plus 6. In that x square coefficient is 1 into 6, it is 6, and plus 5 is the x coefficient. By using the splitting the middle term method, we got the answer as x plus 3 into x plus 2. So x square plus 5x plus 6, we can write it as x plus 3 into x plus 2. This process of writing this expression as a terms or brackets multiplied together, this process is said to be factorization. Before entering to the concept, we want to know how to divide a polynomial by a binomial. So that is what division algorithm we are going to learn now. Question is, divide 6x cube plus 5x square minus 8x plus 7 by x minus 1. We should divide 6x cube plus 5x square minus 8x plus 7 by x minus 1. Now you can see this expression is said to be dividend, and what number we are going to divide, that is divisor. Already you know this. So here the first term of the dividend we should take, and we should divide it by first term in the divisor. That is the process. So first term in the dividend is 6x cube by first term in the divisor is x. We should divide that, and final answer we got it as 6x square. This 6x square we should write it in the quotient place, 6x square. Now we should multiply the 6x square with x minus 1, and we should write it here. This is the process of dividing. So first you should take in the dividend first term divided by divisor first term. You should divide, and that answer we should write it in the quotient place. After that, we want to multiply 6x square by x minus 1. If you multiply, what we will get? 6x square into x is 6x cube. 6x square minus 1 is minus 6x square. Now, by changing the sign, it will get cancelled. 6x cube will get cancelled. Now, plus 5x square plus 6x square, it will come as 11x square. 11x square, and the next term we can bring it down, it is minus 8x. Now again the same process should be continued. So here now we are going to divide this by x minus 1. So this first term is 11x square, and that already we know first term is x, the same x we should divide it, and you can see the answer is 11x. That should be written in the quotient place. So it is plus 11x. Now again the same process should be continued, that 11x should be multiplied with x minus 1. If you multiply that 11x with x minus 1, 11x into x is 11x square, then 11x minus 1 is minus 11x will come. So that we can write 11x into x is 11x square. 11x minus 1 is minus 11x will come. Now again, by changing the sign, this will get cancelled. 11x square minus 11x square will get cancelled. Minus 8x plus 11x, it is nothing but plus 3x. And next we can bring it down, it is plus 7. So the same concept should be continued. First term in this expression is 3x. So 3x divided by first term in this binomial is x. That should be divided. 3x by x, it is nothing but 3. That should be written in the quotient. So plus 3. Now we should multiply this 3 along with x minus 1. If you multiply 3 and x minus 1, you will get 3x minus 3. Now you change the sign, it will come 3x will get cancelled, plus 7 plus 3, answer is 10. So what we can understand from this, when we divide an expression 6x cube plus 5x square minus 8x plus 7 by x minus 1, the quotient is 6x square plus 11x plus 3, and the remainder is 10. Next we will see remainder theorem. Remainder theorem states that when a polynomial f of x is divided by x minus alpha, then the remainder is nothing but f of alpha. When a polynomial f of x is divided by x minus alpha, the remainder is f of alpha. You see the last problem we did in the division algorithm method we did, and we got the remainder as 10, and the f of x is nothing but 6x square plus 5x square minus 8x plus 7, and the divisor, that is we divided by x minus 1. So when you compare it here, f of x is nothing but 6x cubed plus 5x square minus 8x plus 7, and we divided by x minus 1. When comparing it with here, alpha is nothing but 1. X minus 1 we divide. As per the definition, it is x minus alpha. When it is divided by x minus alpha, the remainder is f of alpha. In the same way, x minus 1 is here. That means alpha is nothing but 1. So f of 1, if you find it, means we will get the remainder they are saying. We will check it out now. So 6 into 1 cube plus 5 into 1 square minus 8 into 1 plus 7. That is 6 into 1 plus 5 into 1 minus 8 into 1 plus 7. That is 6 plus 5 minus 8 plus 7. That is equal to 6 plus 5, it is 11. 11 plus 7, it is 18. So 18 minus 8, that is equal to 10. So f of 1, we got the answer as 10. That is what the remainder states. Remainder theorem states this is the remainder. So 10 is the remainder. So here you can compare it. The remainder is same 10. So instead of doing by the division method and finding the remainder, using the remainder theorem, we can find out the remainder easily. But we can't find the quotient. Only remainder we can find it. Next question. Find the remainder on dividing 3x cubed minus 7x squared plus 11x plus 1 by x plus 3. As per the definition of polynomial, f of x is divided by x minus alpha, then the remainder is f of alpha. But here you have x plus 3. So this x plus 3 we should write it as x minus alpha. So this x plus 3 can be written as x minus of minus 3. Now it looks like x minus alpha. Here alpha is equal to minus 3. Here alpha is equal to minus 3. That alpha we should substitute in the f of x. And since it is given this expression, this polynomial, we are going to divide it. That is, it is a dividend no. So this should be considered as f of x. So f of x is equal to 3x cubed minus 7x squared plus 11x plus 1. And alpha is nothing but minus 3. So f of minus 3 is equal to 3 into minus 3 whole cube minus 7 into minus 3 whole square plus 11 into minus 3 plus 1. That is equal to 3 into minus 27 minus 7 into 9 minus 33 plus 1. That is minus 81 minus 63 minus 33 plus 1. After simplifying, we will get minus 176 as answer. So f of minus 3 is nothing but minus 176. That means minus 176 is the remainder. Remainder when we divide this by x plus 3. Okay. Now how to find this alpha? It is little tough to find out like this, right? So by equating that x plus 3 as 0, we can find it out. X is equal to minus 3. So directly by equating the x plus 3 equal to 0, we can find x is equal to minus 3. That is what alpha. Instead of finding like this is the easiest method. Hereafter, by taking the value x is equal to what value is coming, that is the alpha. By you substituting in the f of x, we can find out the remainder. Therefore, the remainder is f of minus 3 is equal to minus 176. Now we can find the remainder by substituting alpha as minus 1 by 3. So already we know this is f of x. F of x is equal to 3x cubed plus 5x square minus 11x minus 4. Now f of minus 1 by 3 is equal to, you should substitute in the place of x as minus 1 by 3. So 3 into minus 1 by 3 whole cube plus 5 into minus 1 by 3 whole square minus 11 into minus 1 by 3 minus 4. That is equal to 3 into minus 1 by 27 plus 5 into 1 by 9. Here minus into minus will become plus 11 by 3 minus 4. That is equal to, if you cancel this, 9 times. Minus 1 by 9 plus 5 by 9 plus 11 by 3 minus 4. That is equal to, by taking LCM, that will come as 9. So minus 1 plus 5. Here it become plus 33 and minus, here 9. This is 1 no. So 4 9s are, it is 36. That is equal to minus 1 plus 5, it is 4. Here 33 minus 36, it is minus 3 by 9, that is equal to 1 by 9. So f of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 9. That means the remainder is 1 by 9. When we divide 3x cube plus 5x square minus 11x minus 4 by 3x plus 1, we will get the remainder as 1 by 9. Next we will see factor theorem. Factor theorem states that if f of x is a polynomial and alpha is a real number, then x minus alpha is a factor of f of x. If and only if f of alpha is 0. Simply saying, if the remainder comes as 0, it is said to be a factor. If the remainder comes as 0, x minus alpha is a factor of f of x. Next question. Show that 3x plus 1 is a factor of 6x cube plus 11x square minus 3x minus 2. First, we want to find the alpha. So as I said, we can equate 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So 3x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So by equating 3x plus 1 equal to 0, we will get alpha value as minus 1 by 3. Now we know that this is f of x. So f of x is equal to 6x cube plus 11x square minus 3x minus 2. Now f of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 6 into minus 1 by 3 whole cube plus 11 into minus 1 by 3 whole square minus 3 into minus 1 by 3 minus 2. That is equal to 6 into minus 1 by 27. Next plus 11 into 1 by 9 minus into minus become plus 3. 3 by 3 minus 2. That is equal to, if you cancel that, here 2, here it will become 9. Minus 2 by 9 plus 11 by 9 plus 1 minus 2. That is equal to, if you simplify this alone, numerator, denominator same. Numerator minus 2 plus 11 is 9. So 9 by 9 plus 1 minus 2. That is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 2. That is equal to 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. So what we can understand, f of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. That means that is 3x plus 1 is a factor of f of x. So you can see that first we found alpha value. After that we substitute in the place of x as minus 1 by 3 and we got the answer as 0. That means f of minus 1 by 3 equal to 0, and if f of minus 1 by 3 equal to 0, f of alpha equal to 0 means x minus alpha is a factor of f of x. So here f of minus 1 by 3 equal to 0, therefore 3x plus 1 is a factor of f of x. Next question is, show that x minus 1 is a factor of x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8. Hence factorize it completely. So first we will show that x minus 1 is a factor of the f of x, then we will factorize the full thing. Now see here, f of x is equal to x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8, and we want to show x minus 1 is a factor. That means x minus 1 is a factor, means x minus 1 you should equate it to 0, x is equal to 1, that means alpha is equal to 1. By substituting x value as alpha, we can find out the answer. 1 cube minus 7 into 1 square plus 14 into 1 minus 8. That is 1 minus 7 plus 14 minus 8. That is equal to 1 plus 14 is 15. Minus 7 minus 8 is 15. That is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor of f of x. Here this is f of 1. So by substituting x value as 1, we got f of 1 equal to 0. That is remainder 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor of f of x. Now we are going to factorize it completely. Now since we know that this is a factor, we can divide the f of x by x minus 1. By using division method, already we learned no. So x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8. We are going to divide it by x minus 1. Now this is the dividend, this is the divisor. Already what we learned, the same thing. First term by first term, x cube by x is nothing but x square. Now x square should be multiplied here. X square into x is x cube. X square into minus 1 is minus x square. Now change the sign, it will become plus. and here it will be x cube minus x cube will get cancelled. Minus 7x square plus x square, it is nothing but minus 6x square plus 14x by bringing the next term down. Now minus 6x square divided by x, it is nothing but minus 6x. Minus 6x square divided by x is nothing but minus 6x. Now this minus 6x you should multiply here. Minus 6x into x, it is nothing but minus 6x square. Again minus 6x into minus 1, it is nothing but plus 6x. Now change the sign, plus and minus, this will get cancelled. 14x minus 6x. In that 14x we want to subtract 6x, you will get 8x. Next one you want to bring it down, it is minus 8. So 14x minus 6x is 8x minus 8. Now divide this 8x by x, so you will get plus 8. If you multiply it here, 8x minus 8. You change the sign, plus this also will get cancelled, this also will get cancelled. Remainder 0. Since x minus 1 is a factor, we know that by dividing the f of x by x minus 1, we got the quotient as x square minus 6x plus 8. That means we can write x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8 as x minus 1 into x square minus 6x plus 8. So x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8 can be written as x minus 1 into this quotient, x square minus 6x plus 8. But this is not in the simplest form. We should factorize it further. By using the I method, splitting the middle term method, we can factorize it. So that alone I will do it here. So it is x square minus 6x plus 8. Now this can be written as, here coefficient of x square is 1. That if you multiply it with 8, it is nothing but plus 8. And coefficient of x term is minus 6. We want to choose two numbers such that if you multiply you should get plus 8, and if you add it is minus 6. So I think minus 4 and minus 2. If you multiply plus 8, if you add minus 6. So this can be separated as x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. Minus 6x we separated as minus 4x and minus 2x. Now this is equal to, from the first two term you can see x is common. If you take it outside, x minus 4 will be there. In the second two term, again minus 2 is common, so x minus 4 will be there. Now that is equal to x minus 4 into x minus 2. Therefore x square minus 6x plus 8 is nothing but x minus 4 into x minus 2. So this value I am going to write it here. So our question, x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8, that only we should factorize it completely. So that is equal to x minus 1 into this. If you factorize, we will get as x minus 4 into x minus 2. Therefore the answer, when we factorize this completely, we get x minus 1 into x minus 4 into x minus 2. Next question. Using remainder theorem, factorize 3x cube plus 2x square minus 19x plus 6 completely. Using remainder theorem concept, we want to factorize this completely. We can take f of x equal to 3x cube plus 2x square minus 19x plus 6. Actually last problem they gave one factor, using that we found all the other factors too. We factorized completely. But here they did not give any factor. So, and also you can see this is a cubic polynomial. It's a cubic polynomial. If it is a quadratic polynomial, by splitting the middle term method or some other method, you can use it and we can find it out. Since it's a cubic polynomial, it is our duty to first guess what will be the factor. So you have to choose the number. By trial and error method only we can find out the factor. By assuming alpha as 1, by assuming alpha as minus 1, or 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3, like that if you do it means at any one particular value we will get a factor. Using that we can find the other factors. First we guessed by taking x value as 1. We did not get the answer as 0, so we can't use it. By taking x value as minus 1, again we did not get the answer as 0, so we have to leave it. Now by taking x equal to 2, we got the answer as 0. That means f of 2 equal to 0. If f of alpha is equal to 0, x minus alpha is a factor. Already we learned using factor theorem. So f of 2 equal to 0, that is therefore x minus 2 is a factor of f of x. X minus 2 is a factor of f of x. Now we got one factor. Using this factor, we are going to divide this polynomial by this factor. So here 3x cube plus 2x square minus 19x plus 6. We are going to divide this by x minus 2. Now again first term divided by first term. First term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. So by using that 3x cube by x, you can see we will get 3x square. 3x square, again you want to multiply it here. 3x square into x is 3x cube. Then again 3x square into minus 2 is minus 6x square. Now you change the sign. This will get cancelled. Now 2x square plus 6x square, it is nothing but 8x square. Next we want to bring it down, it is minus 19x. Again the same process. 8x square divided by x, we will get plus 8x. That plus 8x you should multiply it with x and minus 2. 8x into x is 8x square. 8x into minus 2 is minus 16x. Now change the sign, this will get cancelled. Minus 19x plus 16x, we will get minus 3x. Bring out the next term, it is plus 6. Now divide minus 3x by x, we will get minus 3. Again multiply that minus 3 along with x minus 2, it is minus 3x plus 6. Minus 3x plus 6. Change the sign, this will get cancelled and this will get cancelled. Final answer 0. Therefore f of x is equal to 3x cube plus 2x square minus 19x plus 6. That can be written as x minus 2 into the quotient 3x square plus 8x minus 3. So x minus 2 into, if these two values if you multiply, we got this value, no? So you can see that 3x cube plus 2x square minus 19x plus 6 is equal to x minus 2 into 3x square plus 8x minus 3. But this we should simplify it. So we have to go with the other side. So 3x square plus 8x minus 3. Now this 3 and this 3 you should multiply. You can see here 3 3 sides minus 9 and coefficient of x is plus 8. We should choose the numbers such that if you multiply we must get minus 9 and if you add we will get 8. So chances for 9 and 1. So you can see plus 8 is coming. So 9 and minus 1. If you add 9 and minus 1 you will get plus 8 and 9 into minus 1 you will get minus 9. Yes. So 3x square plus 8x minus 3 can be written as 3x square. This 8x can be written as plus 9x minus x minus 3. This 8x can be written as plus 9x minus x. 9x minus x is, we got it as 8x now. So we splitted the middle term. We splitted this middle term as 9x and minus x. From the first two terms you can see number 3 is common. Also number x is common. 3 is common and the variable x is common. So you can see x plus 3. X plus 3 will come. 3 already we took it out. X square is there. 1x we took it out. So remaining another 1x is there. Here 9 is there. We took out 3. So balance 3 will be there. X already we have taken out. So x plus 3 will be there. And you can see here minus 1 is common. So x plus 3 again it will come. By taking minus 1, x plus 3 you will get. X plus 3 is common. That is x plus 3 into 3x minus 1 will come. Therefore 3x square plus 8x minus 3 is equal to x plus 3 into 3x minus 1. X plus 3 into 3x minus 1. That we want to substitute it here. So that is equal to x minus 2 into 3x square plus 8x minus 3. We can write it as x plus 3 into 3x minus 1. Therefore f of x is equal to x minus 2 into x plus 3 into 3x minus 1. So we factorize this completely. I hope this video is very much useful to you. Thank you very much.